Let's go! Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Misty. Today we're unlocking the city of dreams, Los Angeles. 5 days packed with iconic spots, hidden gems, and Hollywood energy. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first timer, this itinerary is your golden ticket to an unforgettable LA experience. Buckle up because we're about to hit the ground running. Day 1 in LA starts right at the Pacific Ocean under the California sun at the iconic Santa Monica Pier. First things first, coffee. Find a local shop, grab a cup, and let's walk. Feel the sand between your toes, breathe in that salty air, and soak it all in. The Santa Monica Pier is like stepping into a movie scene. The Ferris wheel, the smell of popcorn and saltwater taffy. Pure magic. Take a ride on the roller coaster, try some carnival games, maybe win a giant stuffed animal. And the food. From classic burgers to fresh seafood, Santa Monica's got it all. Find a spot with a view, grab some lunch, and watch the world go by. As the day winds down, head back to the pier for the sunset. The sky explodes with color. Oranges, pinks, purples. It's like a painting come to life. Day 1 in LA, done and dusted, but we're just getting started. Day 2, diving headfirst into Hollywood. Get ready for celebrity spotting, iconic landmarks, and movie magic. First up, breakfast, Hollywood style. Think avocado toast, pancakes, maybe a green smoothie. The Hollywood Walk of Fame. You've seen it in movies, now you're here, walking among the stars. Take your time, find your favorite names, snap some photos, and soak up the Hollywood history. While you're here, why not catch a movie at the TCL Chinese Theater? Footprints and handprints of the biggest names in Hollywood right there in the concrete. Feeling adventurous? Take a hike up to the Hollywood sign. It's a bit of a climb, but the views from the top are worth it. You get a panoramic view of the entire city, from downtown skyscrapers to the Pacific Ocean. As the day winds down, grab dinner on Sunset Boulevard. This iconic street is buzzing with energy, from trendy restaurants to legendary music venues. Soak up the atmosphere, enjoy a delicious meal, and get ready for another day of LA adventures. Day 3 in LA, and we're going cosmic. Today's all about breathtaking views, mind-blowing science, and stargazing. We're starting the day at Griffith Observatory, perched high up in the hills. Even the drive up here is an experience, winding through the Hollywood Hills. Step inside the observatory and prepare to be amazed. Interactive exhibits, fascinating displays about space and science, and that iconic dome housing a powerful telescope. But the real showstopper here is the view. From the observatory's terraces, you get a panoramic vista of Los Angeles, the sprawling cityscape, the Hollywood sign, the Pacific Ocean. It's enough to make you feel like you're on top of the world. As day turns into night, the real magic happens. Griffith Observatory is one of the best places in the city to go stargazing. The city lights fade away, the stars begin to twinkle, and you can lose yourself in the vastness of the night sky. Before you leave, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this place. Day 4, and we're adding a touch of class to this LA adventure. Get ready to immerse yourselves in art, architecture, and stunning views at the Getty Center. First things first, coffee and a light breakfast. Getting to the Getty Center is an experience in itself. You hop on a futuristic tram that glides up the hillside, and then you arrive at the Getty Center, an architectural masterpiece with sleek lines, expansive gardens, and panoramic views. Inside, you'll find an incredible collection of art spanning centuries and continents. Take your time, wander through the galleries, and let yourself get lost in the beauty of it all. But the Getty Center isn't just about the art inside, it's about the experience. Take a stroll through the gardens designed by renowned landscape architect Robert Irwin. These meticulously curated outdoor spaces are like living works of art, with vibrant flowers, tranquil fountains, and breathtaking views. And hey, grab lunch at one of the Getty Center's restaurants. Enjoy a delicious meal with a side of those incredible views. Day 5, the final day of our LA adventure, and we're ending it with a bang at Venice Beach. First things first, breakfast, Venice style. Acai bowls, breakfast burritos, maybe a green juice. Venice Beach is all about that healthy, laid-back California lifestyle. Venice Beach is a sensory overload in the best possible way. Street performers, artists, musicians, vendors. It's a constant buzz of activity. Take a stroll down the Venice Beach boardwalk, home to all sorts of characters and quirky shops. Watch the skateboarders shred at the skate park, marvel at the muscle men at Muscle Beach, or simply soak up the sun. And hey, when in Venice, you gotta hit the beach, rent a surfboard or relax on the sand. As the day winds down, grab a bite to eat at one of Venice Beach's many restaurants. And as you watch the sunset over the Pacific Ocean, reflect on your incredible 5-day LA adventure. Los Angeles, you've been amazing. And there you have it, folks. 5 days in Los Angeles, packed with iconic landmarks, hidden gems, and enough memories to last a lifetime. If you're planning a trip to LA, I hope this itinerary has inspired you to explore this incredible city. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel for more travel adventures, and hit that notification bell. And before we wrap up, we can't forget about Beverly Hills, the epitome of glitz and glamour. Stay tuned for a video just about Beverly Hills. From the iconic Rodeo Drive, where high-end fashion boutiques line the streets, to the stunning Beverly Hills Hotel, this neighborhood is the playground of the rich and famous. Take a stroll down the palm tree-lined streets and you might just spot a celebrity or two. Don't miss the Beverly Gardens Park, a perfect spot for a leisurely walk amidst beautiful scenery. Whether you're window shopping or just soaking in the luxurious ambiance, Beverly Hills is a must visit on your LA itinerary. Thanks for joining us on this glamorous detour. Until next time, keep exploring.